Merħba, edizzjoni ta' Glam dedikata kollha kemm din il-ġimgħa l-Eurovision Song Contest 2024 illi qed isir f'Malmö fl-Iżvezja. Wara t-tieni semifinali li saret il-ħamis filgħaxija issa huma magħrufa l-finalisti 26 kanzunetta b'kollox u magħruf ukoll li Malta ma kwalifikatx għall-finali minkejja l-wirja ta' Sera Bonnici u t-tim tagħha bil-kanzunetta Loop. Ejja nsegwu l-aħjar momenti tal-kanzunetti li kwalifikaw mill-ewwel semifinali.
Thank you, Tali from Luxembourg.
And that's it, guys. You've seen tonight's 15 competing songs. Only 10 of them can make it to the final.
Issa naraw l-aħjar momenti ta' tini semifinali li saret il-ħamis fil-għaxija.
תמיד אתה משאיר לי אור אחד קטן. Thank you so much! Μας γεμώ θα μας πάρει, πέφτω και κυλάμε σαν ζάρι. Κάνω πως ξεχνάω τα αρώμα σου κι όλα αλλάζουν γύρω μου. I'm gonna do it my way. Στο μυαλό σου θα μπαίνω γέρνω. Γιατί δεν μου δώσεις το χέρι ούτε για να πιαστώ. Κάποτε θα πόνο για σένα κρυφό. Τα αφήνω όλα να βγουνε, πάμε put your hands up. Τι δεν ήτανε ψέμα.
zijn maar ooit. Het is wereld zonder grenzen. Ik mis je elke dag, is wat ik stiekempjes fluister. Zie je nou wel, pa? Ik heb naar je geluisterd.
U dawn kienu ir-reazzjonijiet tal-kantanti waqt il-konferenza tal-aħbarijiet li saret tard il-ħamis bil-lejl wara it-tieni semifinali.
Was teaching me traditional scales from the Eastern Mediterranean region. And we were listening to songs from Turkey, from Greece, from Iran, from Azerbaijan, and I was trying to understand why are there so many things in common? And I was trying to understand also the differences. And my teacher said something that I will never forget, that the age of the culture and of the tradition of that region is much older than the age of the actual country borders. So we are definitely sharing so much with all of you, and thank you so much.
Just singing this song in front of a live audience and knowing that so many people are listening, it made me really emotional. It did so much with me.
First of all, thank you so much to everybody for believing in me so much. I love you guys a lot, and I was feeling your energy on a stage. Honestly, thank you for making me believe that, you know, dreams really, really can come to reality. And it was my dream to see Georgia in finals after 7 years, guys. 7 years!
The chorus of this song is an animal calling. It's a shepherd's call. It is a traditional Norwegian singing technique that is not for aesthetics. It was for practical use. It was meant to resonate throughout the mountains and the hills, to communicate with animals and attract them home. In our context, with this more grotesque medieval ballad in the verses, the actual calling communicates on a primal level. Also with the humans.
Spettaklu fuq il-palk tal-Malmö Arena fl-Iżvezja, il-finali tal-Eurovision Song Contest issa tistgħu ssegwuha live is-sibt fuq Television Malta. Grazzi tal-li segwejtuna. Glam jirritorna il-ġimgħa d-dieħla.